Hi. The objective of the skill is to inculcate in children the skill of interacting and understanding machines and their behavior. The skill, Class 4 Science, is developed for school-going students. To use this skill, you need to have either Alexa device, or Alexa app, or Reverb app, from Google Store. To enable this skill, you can go either to Alexa Skill Store and enable the skill, or, from your device or app, just say, Alexa, followed by skill name. In this case, you can say Alexa, open, Quiz 4th Science. This enables the skill on your device. This skill has many questions. Each question is picked up at random. Alexa asks a question, and gives the user with 4 multiple-choice answers. Wait till the question is completed, and respond with the answer number, instead of the correct answer. Like this, continue till the end of the quiz. At the end, Alexa provides you with your score against the total number of questions, and leaves with blessings. God bless you.